American English Education.
Homemade food is food made at home. A recipe is a list of ingredients necessary to make food. Here's a recipe for a bagel and lox. You will need 6 ounces of smoked salmon, 3 plain bagels, split, toasted, 1 tub of cream cheese, 1 red onion, thinly sliced, 1 tomato, thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons of capers, drained, 1 lemon wedge and dill. Spread the toasted bagel with cream cheese. Sprinkle capers over the cream cheese. Top with sliced smoked salmon. Place sliced tomato over the fish. Sliced onion rings. And garnish with fresh dill and lemon wedge. Serve immediately. Your delicious breakfast at 8 a.m. or brunch at 11 a.m. is ready. Enjoy. Vocabulary: homemade, smoked, salmon, cream cheese, ounce, bagel, split, toasted, tub, thinly, onion rings, sliced, capers, drained, lemon wedge, top with, serve, immediately, delicious, breakfast, brunch, need, recipe, necessary. Anything else? Ingredients. Practice questions. What is food made at home called? What is a recipe? What is the recipe called in this case? How much smoked salmon do you need for the recipe? How many bagels do you need? How much cream cheese do you need? How many red onions do you need? How many tomatoes? How many tablespoons of capers do you need? Do you need a lemon wedge? How many lemon wedges do you need? Do you need anything else? What do you do with cream cheese? What do you do with capers? What do you do after capers? What do you do next? What goes on top of tomato? Anything else? Can you serve it right away? What time is breakfast? What time is brunch? What do you do with the delicious homemade food?